What if I told you that many of the millionaires you admire are not loud, not flashy, and not even remotely similar to the stereotype you see online? They're not driving brand new cars. They're not posting screenshots of their bank accounts. They're not announcing their every achievement. They are doing something far more interesting. They're getting rich quietly. Here's the part that will shock you. A stunning 88% of millionaires today are self-made, and most of them earned their wealth while working regular jobs. Not through viral fame, not through overnight success, but through silent financial behaviors happening behind closed doors. So the real question is, what are these employees doing differently, and why don't most people ever notice it happening? In today's video, we're unlocking the quiet money moves employees make to become millionaires. Some of these habits will feel strange, even uncomfortable, because they are the opposite of what the world encourages you to do. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's dive into the first quiet money move. They turn salary into snowballs. Employees who become millionaires early don't treat their salary as money, they treat it as capital. But here's the psychological twist that most people never notice. Most employees emotionally attach their salary to their lifestyle, not their future. But millionaire employees attach their salary to assets. Instead of thinking, how can I spend this? They think, how can I multiply this? The cultural insight here is fascinating. In many parts of the world, especially in corporate cultures, employees believe salary is meant for upgrading life immediately. Better gadgets, better wardrobe, weekend trips, new furniture, dinner outings. But quiet millionaires follow something unusual. The 70-10-10-10 formula, 70% for living, 10% for equity investments, 10% for emergency funds, 10% for invisible opportunities, a category most people ignore. The mistake most people make is thinking their salary alone isn't enough to invest. But the wealthy know something different. It's not how much you earn, it's how much you allocate. Here's a question that opens your mind. If your employer doubled your salary today, would you invest the extra or spend it? Most people instantly upgrade their lifestyle. Millionaire employees upgrade their portfolio. The transformation is powerful. Your salary stops being a monthly event and becomes a lifelong wealth engine. Number 2, they hide their raises from their lifestyle. This is one of the smartest, quietest, and most underestimated wealth moves. Whenever most employees get a raise, two things happen immediately. They upgrade their phone. They increase their entertainment budget. They start dining out more. They buy slightly more expensive versions of everything they already own. This is called lifestyle creep, and it kills potential millionaires. But here's what the quiet wealth builders do differently. They act like the raise never happened. Ask yourself this right now. If I got a raise tomorrow, what part of my life would I actually need to upgrade? And what part would I upgrade just to feel good temporarily? Your honest answer reveals the truth. Here's the transformation when you apply this. Your income grows, your investments grow faster, and your expenses barely move. This creates a wealth gap so powerful that compounding begins to work aggressively in your favor. But what if I told you the next point reveals a money move that secretly gives employees the fastest acceleration toward millionaire status, and almost nobody talks about it? Let's go deeper. Number 3. They quietly build a money moat around their life. This point might feel uncomfortable, but it's one of the biggest reasons ordinary employees become millionaires quietly. They protect their money from leaks. What does that mean? Look at the average person. Subscriptions they don't use, impulse purchases they don't remember, credit card interest draining $2,000 to $6,000 a year, insurance policies they don't understand, fees that go unnoticed but add up silently. Now imagine someone earning $55,000 per year quietly plugs every financial leak. No dumb penalties, no useless subscriptions, no credit card revolving balance, no impulsive purchases on payday. Do you know what happens? Suddenly, they free up an extra $300–500 every single month, money that can be redirected into their portfolio. Most people think becoming a millionaire requires earning a lot. But the quiet millionaires know something counterintuitive. Becoming rich requires keeping a lot. Number 4. They quietly build a money moat around their life. There's something strange about people who quietly become millionaires while working ordinary jobs. They behave as if their money is constantly under attack. And in a way, it is. Not from villains, not from the government, but from tiny financial leaks that most people don't even register. The average employee loses anywhere between $1,200 to $4,000 a year on things they don't use, don't need, or don't remember subscribing to. The silent wealth builders know this, and that's why they operate with what I call a financial firewall. Here's the twist. This firewall isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategically unavailable for unnecessary expenses. Employees who quietly become wealthy know this subconsciously. Wealth isn't built by what you earn. It's built by what you refuse to lose. Number 5. They invest in boring wealth machines. There's a strange pattern among ordinary employees who eventually become millionaires. They don't chase excitement. They chase predictability. While most people jump from meme stocks to crypto hype to the next hot IPO, the quiet wealth builders do the opposite. They build their financial life on something extremely unsexy: consistency. Most employees want financial security but chase investments that offer emotional drama instead of financial stability. That's why so many lose money. Not because the stock market is risky, but because their decision-making is. The quiet millionaire-minded employee understands a deeper psychological truth. Your portfolio shouldn't entertain you. Your portfolio should free you. Here's the relatable question. If your investments were guaranteed to make you wealthy, but were guaranteed to be boring for 20 years, would you still invest? Your answer determines whether you build real wealth or temporary excitement. Your answer determines whether you build real wealth or temporary excitement. You stop timing the market and start trusting compound interest. You stop watching stock price swings and start watching long-term growth. You stop gambling and start accumulating. But we're just warming up, because point 6 exposes a money move that looks like self-denial from the outside. But inside, it's a psychological hack. Number 6. They practice strategic underliving. People who quietly become wealthy don't live below their means. They live under their means, intentionally and strategically. This is one of the least understood wealth behaviors. To the outside world, it looks like they are not trying hard enough. Their clothes aren't trendy. Their car isn't upgraded every few years. They don't jump at every new gadget or luxury. They don't feel the need to prove anything to anyone. But here's the deeper psychological truth. They've mastered the art of delayed pleasure for accelerated power. Here's a reality check question. Is what I'm buying today something my future self will thank me for or regret? Most employees never ask this, but the millionaire types ask it every single time. This creates a life-changing transformation. Your spending becomes purposeful. Your savings grow without pain. Your net worth rises without lifestyle suffering. Your financial anxiety drops because your obligations are minimal. Number 7. They build invisible income streams that no one around them notices. This is one of the most underrated wealth secrets of everyday millionaires. They don't announce their side income. They don't show off their extra cash flow. They don't share screenshots of passive income. They quietly build income streams that flow behind the scenes. Here's where most people go wrong. They think creating extra income requires a business, risk, or massive time investment. But here's the truth. A simple $400 monthly passive income stream from dividends, ETFs, REITs, or rental income equals $4,800 per year, and with reinvestment, that can snowball into 6 figures over time. Number 8. They treat their career like an asset, not a job. Ordinary employees work for their paycheck. Quiet millionaires work for their market value. This is a subtle but powerful shift. They don't focus on promotions alone. They focus on increasing their economic worth in the job market through specialized certifications, deep technical skills, high-value industry expertise, negotiation mastery, professional networking, tracking market salaries. They treat themselves like a publicly traded stock, always improving fundamentals, increasing value, and strengthening long-term growth. But the quiet millionaire sees their career differently. It's leverage, it's compounding, it's intellectual equity. Wealth doesn't arrive with noise. It grows in silence. It builds in the background. It strengthens quietly while the world is distracted. You need one thing: the decision to stop living loudly and start building wisely. I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more transformative tips. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.